Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, a super short video how to make your own body oil, natural organic body oil. Okay, so I'm calling this body oil a night oil because I love to use it at night after an evening, after me taking a shower, because the oils what I have chosen, not all of them absorbs into your skin very fast, so it takes time, and I like to kind of take my time and massage it and to leave it while I will read some book or before I just go to bed. And as well, I'm gonna use my favorite Grapefruit Essential Oil. It can cause a phototoxicity, so that's why I like to use this oil in evening. And a Grapefruit Essential Oil, it improves your circulation, your body circulation, so it's really good. So I have in here a Macadamia carrier oil, Sweet Almond Oil, Jojoba Oil, and vitamin E, antioxidant, and Grapefruit Essential Oil. Okay, so let's go and make it. So what you're gonna need, you're just gonna need a little stirring rod and a little beaker. So I'm gonna do 100 milliliters and a scale. So I'm just gonna place it, tear it out the scale, and I have in here written the formula. So I will add a 50% of jojoba, golden jojoba, organic golden jojoba oil. So 50 milliliters of golden jojoba oil. Okay, then I'm just gonna tear out the scale and we'll add the macadamia nut oil. Macadamia nut oil, it's a super nourishing to your skin, it's a super moisturizing, and it doesn't absorb to your skin so fast as golden jojoba oil, for example. And I love this nutty oil. Not everyone loves that smell, but I love it. So I'm just gonna add 37% of macadamia oil. Macadamia oil, it's clear, it's white in color, and it's super good for your dry skin. Okay, and I'm just gonna add just 10% of sweet almond oil. We all love sweet almond oil. It has so many great benefits. If you don't have sweet almond oil, go and add olive oil or sunflower oil, which is as well good oils for your skin. Okay, and now tearing out the scales, adding my vitamin E, 1% of the vitamin E, which is super thick. Okay, and tearing out the scale and adding 2% of Grapefruit Essential Oil. I can smell it already, grapefruit, I love it. Love the smell, and it's super good for your skin, especially your body. I do apply oil most of the time. I don't really apply onto my hands, onto my upper body, because my upper body always feels more kind of moistured, but my lower body, especially my legs, I do really feel after the showers that they are getting super dry. As well, it depends of the time of the year, or in which country I am, or what kind of how good of the quality is the water, and it depends of this as well. So we just mix it all together. Lovely smell, grapefruit, I love it. So this night oil will make your skin feel moistured, will feed your skin, will boost your circulation while you sleep. And yeah, I'm just gonna transfer it in this plastic PET bottle, 100 milliliter bottle. It has like for lotions, a little pump. So I'm just gonna transfer it in here, and that is my night oil. Super simple to do, guys. It's all natural and organic ingredients, choose your own ingredients, the highest quality as you can, and use it, and that there has no other unnecessary ingredients. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what kind of oils you like to use for your own body, what works best for your own body in the comment section below. Lovely. And I see you next week. Bye.